Me an idiot? I do what cool. As long as you love, Little Wizzies cool.
Look, see how far, brother.
Don't worry, my brother come back, you can borrow mine. What happened? You don't want my brother to borrow? What make them call you starve again? Because you're hungry belly?
I know, I don't remember though.
I'm almost hungry belly, man. Look there. See brother come. See... Yo, welcome to General.
Clean up. Every day I make clean. I don't know where I make clean.
Hey, bro, what's up? Brother! Yo, what's up, bro? Yeah, I'm good, bro. Oh, you're feeling just so different. Oh, you mean my accident, fam? Accident? What happened to you, brother? No, them, what happened to you? Man, you crazy something? Why you say accident? No, bro, I mean my accent, bro. My accent. Oh, you mean accent? You spend 2 days flying, brother, and you catch accent? I mean accident? So anyway, what you bring one for me? You bring peanut?
No.
You bring snow?
No.
You bring soap?
No.
How you never bring anything for me? Not even bring back PlayStation for me.
You're one to talk. You went to a patty shop and you didn't even bring one patty for me.
You go at airport and you bring back plane for me. You go at funeral and you not bring back body for me.
Huh?
You go at Russia and you couldn't even care about World Cup for me.
What?
See your time, bud? Brother, I want to move in the suitcase. Sorry, brother. You hear? A dog you carry.
Her name's Lacey.
What a dog, pretty man.
Dog.
The dog pretty.
No, brother. Dog.
I know that, me say. The dog pretty.
No, brother. Dog. Dog.
What a dog favorite dog. So, what type of dog is?
It's a Shih Tzu.
A what?
A Shih Tzu.
A Shih Tzu, is it?
Shih Tzu.
Next time, one of them your dog if you carry come.
Did you enjoy the video? Here's another one. And if you're new, please subscribe. Little Wizzies, new video every Friday.